This is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
Just created a bunch of it. This is like really dangerous.
Very high pressure situation.
So when I was at university, I was living in London, and across from me there was a little shop called the Chocolate Society. And I didn't eat chocolate when I was a kid, so I didn't even like it, like the smell of it, but I loved the idea of it. So I grew up in a little town in Tabasco on the Gold Coast, and that's where all the best cocoa is produced. That's where cocoa is from, basically. And so they had a library in the Chocolate Society about cocoa, a huge library. And I really wanted to read all these books, but I couldn't afford the coffee. Like, I think a coffee was £5 or something when I was a student. So one day they say, they put a little sign that they need people to work there. And I asked if, when I wasn't on the ship, if I could sit there and read. They said yes. I ended up working, I think I did maybe 6 months, maybe 6 months something. I obviously learned to eat chocolate, but I learned to make coffee. And then I forgot. 20 years.
Now you're relearning again. Yeah. Well, so far it's been really good. So no.
This is a great machine. This is definitely more than I expected we can have here.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let's check out the coop.
This step, it's a bit uneven. You just want to take a left as soon as you get it. Tienes que cerrar al final. Puedes cerrar la puertita cuando pases.
He's gonna let them out, and they're gonna come and greet us. Aww.
So this is actually not an egg producing facility. This is for breeding.
Okay.
So these chickens come from different farms from around Mexico and the world. Actually, some of them are imported. I don't know what you call it in English when they se echan, when they think all of the eggs are theirs. So their maternal instinct, and she's starting to incubate them, exactly. And then she'll get up in a second and work.
Wow, and so that blue color is what you're looking for?
Yeah, exactly.
But then there's some different ones, so that's just...
Yes, that's, I mean, often you're not 100% sure of the breeding of where you're getting them from. So that's why we have to do our own breeding. So he's bringing hens from different farms, and we hatched our first generation of this place. A few days ago, unfortunately, some falcons took the chicks. Yeah. So we had 12 chicks, but I think there was an egg starting to hatch earlier, so we'll see if that's... So I learned that if you have it is a turkey, but it's a smaller turkey. It's called a guajolote. It's like the original turkey, not the giant ones. And we have one. It was my daughter's, and she started getting very broody. And my friend told me that if you leave the eggs, she'll think they're hers, so then she'll incubate the chicken's eggs. And whereas the chicken can fit maybe 10 eggs, the turkey can fit about 20 or 30.
Nice. So
she incubated 30 eggs, and she's still sitting on a few of them.
Wow. So all these eggs, or most of these eggs, are going to become chicks?
Yeah, not necessarily.
No.
So these are fertile eggs, but it's like, I'll show you the difference. I mean, this is from one of the younger hens, so it's quite a small egg. And then something like, I mean, these all look like that generation, but this is slightly larger. This will be perhaps one of the older chickens. And it's better to have a fully formed, perfect size, perfect shape egg. Apparently, it's just it produces a better chick. So even though it's all fertile egg, it's still edible. And we use them in the bistro.
Cool. There we go.
I need to find him a home.
I would bring him to New York, but my neighbors might be upset.
Want to carry him?
Yeah, I'd love to. Can you have my coffee? Wow, very cute. How do I've never actually held a chicken.
You just kind of put him on your arm, keep the legs out, because if he gets nervous, he'll try and get up.
Wow. Pink chalky.
He's awesome. I'm really upset that he can't stay. But every generation, half of them are roosters, obviously. So my friend sent his driver one day because we couldn't find homes for them. We tried to sell them, and it's a very special breed. So in theory, there should be a market for this. But the egg is so expensive. Is what we were talking about sustainability. It's just not feasible to have a farm of these eggs. So we could never find buyers. So then we started looking for just people that would take them for free. And we found a couple. And then one day he sent his driver. And it's like, oh, I found somewhere to take them. And his driver comes over, checks a few of them out, weighs them. Where are you taking them? He's like, I'm going to eat them. So I found homes for all of them. I sent them all to like farms in the countryside somewhere. And this guy, there was always my favorite. He wasn't the biggest one, curiously. I mean, the other ones are much smaller than he is, but his brothers and sisters are huge.
Okay. I got the memo.
And then in there, we'll go around, but this is where the turkey is still incubated.
She's in here?
Yeah, in the box just there.
Oh.
But she's amazing. She's
Let's
called
see her from the other side.
Sheila.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
Wow, that chicken. It's a rooster,
Rooster.
no?
This
So
one.
cute. I like him.
Está hermoso.
Sí. No, y los colores. La cola tiene morado, verde. Those are hens of his sisters. So we can't let them cross.
¿Puedo abrir?
Sí.
Wow.
Oh, she's so cool.
Hmm.
They get this thing on their back. They don't bleed or anything, but they start missing feathers, and then the other chickens peck them a little bit. So it could have been a calcium deficit, stress, or just the reason they call it a pecking order is because there is one. It's pretty extraordinary. So this one,
Yeah.
the matriarch is around. If I start turning trunks over,
What do you see, ladies?